Hey friends, if Bluetooth headphone or speaker is connected through voice only, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first thing is to check the status of the Bluetooth services. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Bluetooth services. Okay, the Bluetooth audio gateway service. Right click on it and select restart. Right click on Bluetooth support services service and restart it. And the third one too. The next one is to make sure that your Bluetooth device is enabled. Okay, click on the system tray and make sure that the Bluetooth device is enabled here. The switch should be on and your device should be connected. Then you can run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. And the last solution is to update the Bluetooth device driver. Okay, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth. Right click on the first one and then select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.